this is real life mum hair. Actually, it doesn't look like bad. I'm not gonna lie. My hair's up, like, behind my hair. But, like, she cute. It is frickin'... What time is it? 8:30. Jasper got up at, like, 7:30. And our inspection is today. So I have to just quickly do... Oh, hello, that's really zoomed in. Yesterday, I didn't end up even editing the vlog that I was vlogging. I'm just gonna skip yesterday because Jasper was so unsettled last night. He wouldn't sleep unless we were up here and we were downstairs. So I'm just gonna... That's him crying because I'm not there with him. I'm just going to pass on yesterday's vlog and just do today's and then continue with the rest. So yeah. So I decided not to straighten all my hair because the texture of my hair kind of looks alright. It's a bit curly and a bit wavy because I put it up in plaits. I'm kind of just going to leave it and roll with that. So yeah. Josh has the day off.
What are you doing?
Recording. What are you doing? We are going shopping today. Food shopping, if anyone's wondering. We have to go to 3 places, so just letting you know, honey. So the inspection is over and it went well, so good to me because I cleaned the house. Anyway, so we are just getting ready to leave now. I'm just packing the bag. Get it all ready for Jasper when he's in his pram. Josh is going to put the pram in the car. Jasper's in the car at the moment. He's just watching his little mini TV. I'll show you that when we get in there. I don't think I've ever showed that on a vlog before. Also, my hair's doing a thing, but I really can't be bothered doing anything to it, so... Hi, baby! Hi! So this is his little TV thing that we have for him right here. So it kind of just sits there and plays, it's got 2 movies on it at the moment. It's got Lion King and Tigger movie, but, you know, it plays whatever. So we're going through a, what is this?
Really loud car wash. It's an automatic wash. This one's actually really good.
Jasper's already crying.
That wasn't even him.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. That was him. I guarantee if we rewatch this, it will be him. We'll see when I edit this.
Show.
We'll see this when we edit it.
This is a very loud car wash.
So I'm probably going to have to turn around and tend to Jasper because he's just over there watching his TV. I told you it was him. It's him. Oh. I'm going to turn around to him. Me. Oh, actually, I got this.
Uh-oh. Wait, is this in manual focus?
No, it's in autofocus.
No, it's definitely in manual focus.
Oh, I must have accidentally pressed it. Whoops. That's He's just tired. Yeah, okay.
A rather uninspiring thing.
Stay home. This is a fail. So I haven't recorded in probably forever, just because the shops were so full. We got that full. Jasper is over there with Josh. That whole bottom part is full. And now we're going back to the car. We've been here for how long have we been here for? We've been here for nearly 2 hours. And I didn't record hardly at all. So yeah. Oh, there's people watching me. Josh is choosing some cereal. He's so weird. He doesn't eat ice creams because it takes too long to eat or whatever. And he doesn't want to commit to making cereal because it takes too long to eat. So, is this in manual focus?
No, I changed it.
Oh, thank God. So yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Oh, there's somebody coming. I'm going to turn the camera off now. So we're home. Hi, kitty. And Jasper has needing to be changed because he's done a crap. Oh, great. Josh is setting up the security camera that we got. I got this. We got a bunch of stuff, but I got this cute little Christmassy thing for Jasper, just in case it's hot on Christmas Day. I do have outfits for him for that day that are Christmassy, but that's just in case. That's all the food shopping up there. I'll need to do that once I finish changing him. When we were in Audi, Jasper peed through his leggings and we had to go get some more, and that was just a whole thing. That was intense. It got all over me. Can't see it now because I wiped it up, but yeah, it was crazy. And he got all moody and crying and whingy in the... What are you doing? Really? In Woolworths where we were shopping, so yeah, so Josh had to go wait out the front with him. So, but we're home now. He's watching TV. Josh is doing that, like I said, and I'm going to change him. So we've been back for a really long time. I'm not putting that in because this is a family channel. Jasper's asleep.
I think we made it.
I still haven't even packed all of this away. He could have, but he didn't. Oh, whatever. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. We're going to have hoisin duck wraps.
I think I shit myself.
Frick! I always record in front of this.
Oh, so smart. Good one for you today.
I know, I always have to blur it out. Anyways, so like I said, he is... I didn't say this, but he
has a name.
He... Jasper is teething hardcore. He cried a lot in the shower. I don't know why I said that. He cried a lot in the shopping centre and when we were shopping for food. He was just very unsettled, and he's got such a bad rash on his butt where it's bleeding, and I feel so bad. My poor little baby. Oh, I could just cry for him. So yeah, you don't have a rash on your butt.
No, I don't. You're right.
Anyway, so I'm going to put the rest of this away and then make dinner. These are Jasper's old stuff before he stopped eating dairy. These are like some things I'm going to give away just to some people. I'm going to leave him.
Huh?
I'm going to leave him. Oh, can we just appreciate that I look like Joyce Byers?
You always do.
No, but I extra look like her. I'm going to put a photo up here if you don't know who she is, so...
It's only Wednesday, Tuesday, and it's already full.
Say hello.
Starter drone? Look at that. Look how small. We know how small it is. You
Bubby!
can fit it in a sandwich. And then
Bubby!
It is tiny. That is one of the
What are you doing?
Because you're not spending $2,500.
Bubby!
You're not spending $2,500.
What are you doing?
About $450.
Oh.
The stress level when you're flying it should you crash.
So that duck, well, duck was really good. Josh really liked it. He's had real duck before. I have not. So he said it tasted pretty much the same. I really liked it. It was alright. There's heaps left now and we're just kind of chilling, and Jasper's down there doing whatever he's doing. Josh is looking at reviews of this drone thing because he wants to get it. Hi! 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 What are you doing? Hi! He's so cute. Really? Me. We're about to get in the shower. Yes, we are. That's my camera. Oh, that sounded like you said camera. Camera. Oh, that sounded like you said camera. Look how cute he is, guys. He's chewing on my toothbrush. This is his Charlie chair, if no one knew. This is what he washes in. So Josh is in the shower and he's just covering him. And I just got out. There you go. I didn't take my makeup off or wash my hair. I really could not be bothered. So I'm going to end the video here. We are just going to go to sleep soon because it's pretty late and he won't actually go to sleep right now, so we're just going to chill downstairs and probably watch a movie, then go to sleep. So there's no one on the expressway. Holy crap. Legit, no one right now. There's one person. Anyway, besides the point. I'm going to end it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!